Want to add an admin to your business manager? Don't worry, I will show you how in just few steps. Let's get started. Ready? Let's dive in. First, open Facebook and navigate to the Facebook page where you want to give admin access. Now, click on Meta Business Suite. Once you are in, head over to the settings, which you will find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, in the settings menu, click on People. For me, it's already selected. Here is where the magic happens. You can invite someone by entering their email address, profile ID, or the name. Simply click on Invite People, enter their email, and assign the appropriate level of access. Click Next. Select the page you want them to manage and make sure to enable the permissions they will need. After that, hit Send Invitation. That's it, the invitation is on its way. Once they accept, they will officially become an admin of your page. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.